Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our universe portfolio, and as you see guys, I corrected our error. As you see, we can preview our universe portfolio again, and it also added cinematic asteroid and meteor system. If you click initiate system, as you see, some meteors appear. Well, we can't exactly press, but meteors are appeared. Some meteors are flying near us. So now we would like to fix this button. Let's try to it. I can see you did a great job, but when I click on initiate voyage, only me I when I click on initiate voyage, I can't enter the universe portfolio to explore it. Okay guys, let's wait for Gemini to reply. Okay guys, Gemini replied. Let's check if the button works. Initiate voyage. Okay guys, the button really works and some asteroid came in, as you see guys. I think we did really a great job. If we click meteor shower, oh my god guys, it's a meteor shower. If we click it, so many meteors appear, but if we don't click it, there will, yeah, you see, there's not that much, like, not that much. But if you click meteor shower, like many. Guys, I think Gemini did a pretty good job, and I think it deserves a like. Thank you guys for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.